Woman where they carry the world for head, now real superhero she be. A phoenix wey come from ashes, she the reborn with every fall. Her spirit dey kakaraka and unbroken like wave wey crash for wall. For every movement she makes, she dey pave way for people wey dey behind. She be the queen of the kitchen, queen of the throne. For her eyes na universe wey dey deep and hard to define. Her voice na symphony of courage, a melody wey dey echo through time. From sunrise to sunset, she dey hustle to make her family smile. Womanhood na power, na strength, na beauty, na life. Na the one wey dey make the world dey move smoothly with no delay. Her knees dey filled with wound because she dey kneel down dey pray for her people. So make we celebrate her and give am the respect she deserves, no be child's play. Womanhood na flame wey dey burn bright and bold. E no be like candle wey dey fade away with every old. E be shining star wey dey light up the darkest night. And a beacon of hope for the world wey dey often cold.